Welcome. If you want to personalize notifications on your Niteo Tools Titan, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to scroll down and enter sound and notification. Scroll down one more time, enter for the notification. And for example, we can change notification on the lock screen. And also we can enter notifications from the apps. Okay, as you can see, there's some kind of bug because smartphone doesn't detect any apps. And as you can see here, we got a couple of the apps. So sorry, but I honestly don't know how to fix it. But in the most cases, wait a minute, we have to go back for the settings. But in most cases, you will get here, okay. Now we have apps here. So, for example, if you got a lot of notifications from the Google Chrome, you can enter, and when you tap on the switcher, you can just permanently turn them off. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.